Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here x plus y is multiplied by x square plus y square, this is equals to 680, and another equation is x minus y is multiplied by x square minus y square, this is equals to 360. Here we need to calculate the value of x and value of y, where x and y both are belongs to real number. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Let us consider this is an equation number first and this is an equation number second. Now first look carefully equation number second. Equation number second is x minus y is multiplied by x square minus y square, and this is equals to 360. X minus y is multiplied by factor of x square minus y square. X square minus y square is x plus y is multiplied by x minus y, this is equals to 360. X minus y, x minus y, x minus y times x minus y is x minus y whole squared is multiplied by x plus y, this is equals to 360. Value of x plus y, this is equals to 360 over x minus y whole squared. Now value of x plus y put in equation number first. Equation number first is x plus y is multiplied by x square plus y square, this is equals to 680. Value of x plus y is 360 over x minus y whole squared. X plus y is replaced by 360 over x minus y whole squared is multiplied by x square plus y square, and this is equals to 680. Now this x minus y whole square, if we take right hand side, then this is 680 is multiplied by x minus y whole squared, and in left hand side 360 is multiplied by x square plus y square. Now divide both sides 40. Left hand side is divided by 40 and right hand side is also divided by 40. Then this 0 and this 0 is cancelled out, and 36 is divided by 4, then you will get 9, and this cancel out. 68 divided by 4, then you will get 17. 9 times x square plus y square, this is equals to 17 times x minus y whole squared. In left hand side 9 is multiplied by x square plus y square, so here 9 x square plus 9y square, this is equals to 17 times x minus y whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. In left hand side 9x square plus 9y square, 9x square plus 9y square, and this is equals to 17 is multiplied by x square plus y square minus 2xy. Then in right hand side 17 x square plus 17 y square minus this 17 is multiplied by minus 2xy, then you will get minus 34xy. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then 17 x square plus 17 y square minus 9x square minus 9y square minus 34xy, and this is equals to 0. 17x square minus 9x square is 8x square plus 17y square minus 9y square, then you will get 8y square minus 34 times x y, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side if we take common 2, then 8x square divided by 2, then you will get 4x square plus 8y square divided by 2, then you will get 4y square, and minus 34xy is divided by 2, then you will get minus 17xy, and this is equals to 0. Now divide both side 2. Then in left hand side 4x square plus 4y square minus 17xy, and this is equals to 0. Now first we will write this expression is 4x square minus 17xy plus 4y square, and this is equals to 0. This expression is factorizable, so first we will make factor in left hand side. 4x square and this minus 17xy is same as minus 16xy minus xy, and then plus 4y square plus 4y square, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully first two terms and then last two terms. If we take common 4x square divided by 4x, then you will get x, minus 16xy divided by 4x, then you will get minus 4y. And look carefully last two terms. If we take common minus y, minus xy divided by minus y, then you will get x, 4y square divided by minus y, then you will get minus 4y, and this is equals to 0. Here x minus 4y and here x minus 4y. If we take common x minus 4y, then you will get here 4x minus y, and this is equals to 0. We will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, and suppose this expression is a and this expression is b, if we apply this rule, then you can say x minus 4y, this is equals to 0, or 4x minus y, this is equals to 0. Here value of x is equals to 4y, and here value of y is equals to 4x. Here we have two cases. This is case first and this is case second. Now first we will solve case first, and case first x is equals to 4y. Now look carefully equation number first. Equation number first is x plus y times x square plus y square, this is equals to 680. X plus y is multiplied by x square plus y square, this is equals to 680. Now this x is replaced by 4y, so here 4y plus y is multiplied by x is replaced by 4y bracket power 2 plus y square, and this is equals to 680. 4y plus y is 5y is multiplied by 4y square is 16, y square plus y square, this is equals to 680. Now 5y is multiplied by 16y square plus y square is 17 y square, and this is equals to 680. Now 17 is multiplied by 5, then you will get 85. Y is multiplied by y square, then you will get y cube, and this is equals to 680. Now divide both sides 85. In left hand side divide by 85 and right hand side divided by 85. Then this 85 and this 85 is cancel out, and 680 divided by 85, then you will get 8. Then value of y cube, this is equals to 8. Here y is equals to 8 power 1 over 3. Then y is equals to 8 is 2 power 3 bracket power 1 over 3. And here we will apply this rule. A power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m times n. If we apply this rule, then y is equals to 2 power 3 into 1 over 3. Then this 3 and this 3 is cancelled out, then y is equals to 2. Here y is equals to 2 and condition is x is equals to 4y. X is equals to 4y and value of y is equals to 2. Value of y is equals to 2. Then value of x is equals to 4 and y is replaced by 2. Then x is equals to 8. So our first solution x comma y, value of x is 8, then value of y is 2. Now solve case second. Case second is y is equals to 4x. Y is equals to 4x. And look carefully again, equation number first, x plus y times x square plus y square is equals to 680. X plus y is multiplied by x square plus y square, and this is equals to 680. Here x plus y is replaced by 4x. Here x square plus y is replaced by 4x bracket power 2, and this is equals to 680. Then x plus 4x is 5x is multiplied by x square plus 4x whole square is 16x square, and this is equals to 680. Then here 5x is multiplied by x square plus 16x square is 17x square, and this is equals to 680. Now 5 is multiplied by 17, then you will get 85, and x times x square is x power 3, this is equals to 680. Now divide both side 85, then you will get x cube is equals to 8. Here value of x cube is equals to 8. Now if we take both side power 1 over 3 and right hand side if we take power 1 over 3, and here we will apply this rule, a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m times n. If we apply this rule in left hand side, then you can say x power 3 into 1 over 3, and this is equals to 8 is 2 power 3 bracket power 1 over 3. Then this 3 and this 3 is cancel out. In left hand side x is equals to 2 power 3 into 1 over 3. Then this 3 and this 3 is cancel out. Then x is equals to 2. Here value of x is equals to 2. Now the condition is x is equals to 4y. Second condition is y is equals to 4x. Y is equals to 4x. Then y is equals to 4 and x is replaced by 2. Then y is equals to 8. So our second solution x comma y, value of x is 2 and value of y is 8. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.